AI changes everything about building profitable digital products. You see, most people think creating something worth selling means you need to be recognized as an expert or spend months building it, but that's the old way. You see, in this video, I'm going to show you how AI makes this 10 times easier and faster, so you can skip months of work, avoid creating generic AI garbage that nobody wants, and launch a real digital product that people will actually pay for, without needing expertise, a following, or any tech skills. My name is Richard, and I run multiple 7-figure online businesses, and I've helped over 5,000 people use AI to build digital product businesses. So, with that, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to understand is we're not building generic AI-generated garbage. The internet is flooded with that. ChatGPT has no real value, no real insight, and nothing that helps anyone. What we're gonna do is different. We're gonna use AI to extract, organize, and package knowledge, your experience, and your insights with something that people will actually pay for. You see, here's what most people don't realize. You already have valuable knowledge. You just don't see it yet. Maybe you know how to meal prep for a busy week. Maybe you figured out how to negotiate a raise. Maybe you've learned how to train your dog, manage your time, or get through a difficult life transition. These are not expert skill levels. They're just simply things that you figured out through your life experience. And thousands of people right now would pay you to learn what took you years to figure out. The problem has always been packaging it, taking what's in your head and turning it into something that's sellable. That's where AI comes in, not to create value, but to help you extract and organize what you already know. Let me show you exactly how this works. Now, before we build anything, we need clarity on what we're creating. This is where most people get stuck. They think, I'm not an expert. What could I possibly teach? Now, here's how to find your product idea in the next 5 minutes or less. Think about 3 things. 1, what do people ask you for help with? Maybe friends come to you for relationship advice. Maybe your coworkers ask you how you stay so organized. Maybe your family wants to know how you lost weight or got into really good shape in the last couple of months. If people ask you about it in your personal life, let me tell you, there's people that are willing to pay you to learn it. Step 2 is ask yourself, what have you figured out the hard way? Think about something that used to be really difficult for you that you've now solved. Getting your first job, managing anxiety, learning to cook healthy meals on a budget. The struggle that you overcame is the exact journey that someone else is thinking about starting with. And again, they'll pay you to shortcut that. And 3, what do you find yourself explaining over and over as something that you're passionate about? This is gold. If you've explained something multiple times, you've already started to build the product. You just have to now simply refine how you teach it. So, for this demo, let's say that you figured out how to be productive while working from home. Some of your friends ask you about it all the time. You've got a system. So let's turn that into a real digital product. And this is where most people use AI the wrong way. They go over to ChatGPT and they say, write me an ebook about productivity. And then they get back generic garbage that looks and sounds just like any other AI thing on the internet. We're doing this completely differently. I'm going to open up ChatGPT or Claude. Either works, but we're going to do something very specific. I'm going to say, I have personal experience being productive while working from home, and I want to create a PDF teaching others my system. Help me narrow this down to a very specific audience and specific problem. Who exactly should this be for, and what specific outcome will they get? Now, as soon as I hit enter, look at this response. In 30 seconds or less, AI has just helped me get specific. Instead of productivity tips for everyone, which is worthless, now I have a targeted concept. Maybe it's for new remote workers struggling with distractions from home. Or maybe it's for parents working from home who just can't focus because their kids are loud. AI helped me narrow it down. Now, I'm asking it to help outline what should actually be in this guide. Based on my real experience working from home, help me create an outline for this PDF, including the specific strategies I should cover and the transformation someone will experience. Now listen, this is very important because I'm not asking AI to make things up. I'm asking it to help me organize what I already know. This AI gives me a structure, chapters, sections, and key points. Now here's the magic part. This is where everything changes. What used to take weeks now takes me minutes. I'm gonna show you how to turn that outline into a complete, valuable PDF product that can make thousands. I'm gonna open up right now Allen AI, and I'm gonna go to the product builder section. Now I'm gonna take that refined concept and outline from ChatGPT, the specific audience, the specific problem, and the structure, and I'm pasting it in. Now watch what happens. It's creating the entire guide, the intro, the chapters, the specific strategies, and action steps. But here's what's different from just asking ChatGPT to write an ebook. This isn't generic at all because we started with a specific concept that was based on real experience, and the output is specific and valuable. Now look at this quality. Real strategies, actual steps that people can implement, and look at the graphics that were even made by this. In less than 5 minutes, AI made you a complete PDF guide. Could you sell this as is? 100%. We just transformed a concept that was in your head into a professional digital product that people will actually buy. No expertise required, no months of work, no design skills. Just AI helping you package what you already know. Now, here's where most people get stuck. They build the product and then they think, okay, now what? How do I actually sell this thing? And this is the part that used to require building websites, setting up payment processors, and figuring out email delivery, technical stuff that's way too complicated and gets people cold. Now, let me show you how simple this has become. There are platforms out there that handle literally everything technical. You just upload your PDF product and they create the sales page, the checkout system, and even deliver the product automatically. You can use Gumroad, Allen.store, or a platform like Allen.store. The point is, the infrastructure exists. You don't need to build anything from scratch anymore. You simply upload your PDF, you set your price, and now you have a custom-built website that you can share anywhere. And whenever someone clicks, they instantly receive your product while you instantly get paid. And this could happen while you're at the beach or sleeping. That's the power of digital products. You create it once, you sell forever. Now, let's zoom out for a second because I want you to fully understand why this is so important. What we just built, the simple PDF guide, is not just a product. It's the foundation of an entire business. Here's how my top students and I think about this. This PDF becomes a gateway. Someone buys it for, let's say, 27 bucks, and they get value, they trust you, and now they're interested in your $97 course, your $497 program, or even your $997 coaching. One simple PDF starts a relationship that could be worth thousands of dollars over time. And when I built my first digital product, it was simple. Nothing fancy, but it taught me that people will pay for solutions to the problems and that I didn't need to be the world's leading expert to help them. And that one product led to everything I built since. And with AI, you can create your first product in an afternoon instead of months. Now here's the truth. I just showed you exactly how to build a digital product with AI. And you could honestly start right now. You could open up ChatGPT, figure out what knowledge you already have, and start building something today. But here's what separates the people who actually make money from this and everyone else. The product is just step one, but you also need to know how to get in front of the right people, how to create content that drives unlimited traffic and do it without ever spending money on advertising, and how to build a website funnel that turns strangers into high-paying customers, and how to scale it from 1 sale to 10 to 100 to your first 1,000 sales. The students I've worked with who've gone from 0 to 5 figures, 6 figures, and even multiple 6 figures a month, they did not just figure out how to make a product, they learned the entire system. So if you want to see exactly how this complete system works and how I went from 0 to over 10,000 and eventually 100,000 per month with digital products, I break that entire process down right here in this video. I show you the content strategy, the traffic system, and how my top students are generating thousands of views without ever spending a single dime on ads, and how everything connects together. So tap the video on the screen right now and I'll walk you through the entire step-by-step system in that video, because building the product is the easy part. Selling it profitably, that's where the real game is. So tap right there and I'll see you on the other side.